Well, as you probably just saw, we're going to discuss today, how much does it cost to install a septic tank. And the reason why I am doing this particular live broadcast today is because many people, in lieu of all the septic tank rules and regulations that are coming into force on the 1st of January 2020, are considering replacing or repairing their septic tank. So how much does it cost to install a new septic tank or to replace one? Well, it basically depends on two factors. Factor number one, whether you want to pay a septic tank emptying firm to do it, or factor number two, whether you want to do it yourself or get your builder to do it. So let me just discuss those two options to you. All right, now you could get a firm, a company in to give you a quote for a septic tank, and typically if you do that, you'll find, let me just get this up here for you now, you'll find that it will cost anywhere in the region of £6,000 to £10,000 to install a new septic tank or a Soakaway, if you company to do it for you. All right, so that's option one, and many people do go down that route. But let me give you another option that maybe you hadn't considered, and that is putting your own septic tank or Soakaway in. And believe me, it's not as hard or expensive as it used to be. So what would it cost you typically if you wanted to put your own state-of-the-art septic tank and Soakaway in? Well, let me show you. 1499. So yes, you can see it's almost like £8,500 cheaper if you put your own septic tank and Soakaway in, or get your builder to do it. And typically, as I said, it's nowhere near as hard as it used to be. Why not? Because it only takes 2 to 3 hours now to install a septic tank and Soakaway. How come? Well, let me show you this. Okay, so let me just shut that down there and open this up here. Here we go. This is what I wanted to show you. All right, because that is all it costs for a septic tank and Soakaway kit. So here's my shop. If you want to see where it is, just go to septictank.co.uk. All right, you'll find lots of information there. But just sticking with the matter in hand, I do something called a septic tank and Soakaway kit, and they're based on the number of bedrooms for your property. So as you can see, you've got 1 to 2, 3 to 4, 5 to 6, 7 to 8 bedroom property. So just sticking with this one here, the 1 to 2 bedroom, as you can see, a complete septic tank and Soakaway kit, it's just 1499. So yes, you can literally save £8,500. So what are you getting with a septic tank and Soakaway kit? Well, you're getting 15 meters of orange underground pipe that's socketed. That means you don't need any connectors. They already come pre-molded onto the pipes. You get a German inspection chamber that collects any debris such as sanitary towels, baby wipes, nappies, etc. You get the septic tank, and these aren't any septic tank. These are low profile septic tanks. That means they're really shallow to install. They don't need any concreting whatsoever. So you'll save yourself, what, 600, 700, 800 quid in concreting costs. And also, for this particular kit, you get the septic tank Soakaway crates. The septic tank Soakaway crates also come with free membrane worth about £100, and you also get a free riser actually with the septic tank. So, but this kit in itself, when it's in, looks something like that. But I'm going to show you how easy it is to install now. So if you're worried about, I don't know, the new rules and regulations coming into force on the 1st of January 2020, and you're looking to replace or repair your septic tank and Soakaway or relocate it, and don't stress about it, but be pleased, before you spend out 6,000 quid or £10,000, or more. I mean, some people are charging 12 to 15,000 pounds. Before you do that, before you spend another penny, please let me just show you this. All right, so let me just show you it in action. All right, so let me show you how easy it is to install your own septic tank and soakaway now. So let's say this is your house here. Here's a typical house in the middle of the country, and have a look at this. Okay, so let's pretend you've paid 14,499 for your septic tank and soakaway kit. You get your builder in, or you get a mini digger yourself, right? First thing you need to do, let me show you how easy this is to do. First thing you do is you dig a trench from the house, from your soil pipe to where you're going to put the septic tank. Okay, so let's pretend we're going to put the septic tank around about here. Then first of all, you just dig a simple trench. All right, number two, you dig a hole for your septic tank. So that's pretty simple, isn't it? And it's a very shallow hole because the septic tanks, as I said, are very shallow. They're not very deep, okay? Then after you've done that, all you need to do, if I just go from the side here and give you an aerial view, all right, to show you how easy it really is. So you've dug your trench, you've dug your hole for your tank. Then all you need to do literally is dig two more holes, one for the septic tank crates and one for the German silt chamber. All right, so you've taken about an hour to dig your hole. All right, so it's taken you an hour so far. So if you like a digger, like Bob the Builder, then you're laughing. So this is what the builder would do. He'd just dig a trench and some holes, as I said. All right, so the first thing you do, once you've done that, you just put your pipe, right, from your house into the trench. How simple is that, right? Once you've done that, you then put, if I show you here, if I just do a cutaway section here, all right, so if I just do a cutaway section here and go here, the next thing you do is you just put your tank into the hole. Look at that. How simple is that? And because it doesn't need any concreting, these are a shallow dig, heavy duty septic tanks. So it means that all you need to do is backfill around them with shingle or sand. All right, once you've done that, all you need to do then is put an outlet pipe, connect the outlet pipe to the septic tank like that, just literally slot it in. Then you just put down your, you put down your inspection chamber just like that. All right, it just literally plug and play. All right, so this has taken you, let's say this has taken you 20 minutes to do, 30 minutes to do so far. Then next, all that you need to do, and it just gets easier and easier. Once you've done that, then all you need to do is put your septic tank crates into the hole. Now, just want to say at this point, many people on the internet get confused between rainwater crates and septic tank soakaway crates. So you can't use rainwater crates for your septic tank soakaway. You must use septic tank soakaway crates. So if you read on the internet that you can't use crates for your soakaway, it's partially true. What they mean is you can't use rainwater crates. But if you use septic tank crates, that's fully legal and building reg compliant. Okay, so you put your crates in like so. And then all that you do now is connect, what's this? The pipe from the inspection chamber into the crates. You literally just dig you literally cut a small hole in the crates there. And as you can see, that's sticking in about a foot, half a foot, something like that. And then that's it. That's basically it. And all that you need to do now is with the free membrane that's supplied, you just put the membrane over the crates, just like so. All right. And what the membrane does, it basically stops the soil going into the crates. You don't need any membrane on the bottom of the crates because the soil can't come upwards. All right. It can only come down and through the sides. So you cover it with membrane. And so let me zoom out now. Let me zoom out. So this is what it looks like. All right. So you say you started at 9, by 12 o'clock, by lunchtime, this is what it will look like. And so instead of having to pay a firm 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,000 quid to do this, you can literally get a builder in or a digger in to do this yourself. And when you've done this, watch this. This is the best bit, right? Once you've done this, you just literally cover everything over with soil. Job done. So let's say you start at 9 o'clock in the morning. All right, by 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, you'll have a complete septic tank and soakaway system in the ground. So yes, it really does cost 1,499 for a septic tank and soakaway. So if you're looking to save 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,000 quid and put your own septic tank and soakaway system in within 3 hours, right? It's now very, very, very possible. So there you go. I mean, so for me, that's why I'm so excited. I've been doing this for about 20 years. And when these shallow dig septic tanks came on the market 2 or 3 years ago, and septic tank soakaway crates, I'm just so excited because look, I got into this business because I had to put my own septic tank and soakaway in the house that I moved into when I first got married. And it was great, but I had to put one of those big, massive onion tanks in, and I had to concrete it in and put massive soakaway in and loads of shingle and pipes. And it took me a week and a half to do, and it cost me thousands to do it. And so this is such a game changer, this septic tank and soakaway kit. It's just, not only is it easy to install, it'll just save you thousands of pounds. So just going on to this, where can you get a septic tank and soakaway kit? Just go to septictank.co.uk. All right, just go to septictank.co.uk. There you go. It's as simple as that. Get yourself a septic tank and soakaway kit. If you've got any questions, just give us a ring, or you can just watch the video there. I've actually done a video which explains, again, more in depth of how to install it. Or if you want to see, or let's say, for example, you want to see more information on septic tanks, then just go here. It says Septic Tank TV. I've got my own TV channel. Here we go. And I've got loads and loads of videos on various aspects of septic tanks. But the point is, look, if you're looking for a really amazingly top quality septic tank and soakaway kit to install that is ridiculously priced, really cost effective, then there you go, septic tank and soakaway kit. So listen, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this live broadcast today. I hope it helped you. I hope it saves you some money, and I hope that it allows you to, install your own septic tank and soakaway kit without having to go and get a septic tank company and spending thousands and thousands of unnecessary pounds. So listen, take care. Thank you very much for watching this broadcast, and I'll speak to you soon.